Good, good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. Today, we will do chapter number 2, whose name is Windows 7. We will do an answer sheet. Okay. Now, look at the page number 25. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. First is, which of these feature is used to fit the active window to fill exactly half screen. To fill half screen, we use a snap feature. Which of these control panel settings is used to adjust the visual effects of the computer? We can adjust the visual effects under a control panel setting by using a appearance thing. Which of these tab is not present on the mouse properties dialog box? Which of these tab is not present? Arrow is not present. Buttons, pointers and pointer options are available on a mouse properties. Now, next is, what is the collective name given to the minimize, maximize, and close? This one is minimize, and this one is maximize, and this one is you can cross your window. Okay, what is the collective name given to these things? It is control buttons. These are called the control buttons. Okay. Now, next, write T for true and F for false. First is, Windows 7 was launched in 2007. False. It is not launched in 2007. To see jump list, if you want to see jump list, right click on any program icon in the taskbar. Go to taskbar and right click there. Yes, you can see a jump list there. It is true. System and security is used for setting the overall options and security. We can do a settings of regarding the security related or related to system. Yes, it is true. Display as a link option makes the name appearing in the start menu. You can, if you want to show a name in the start menu, then you can use a display as a link as a shortcut to the folder, and directly you can open that folder. Yes, it is true. You can open. Now, next is fill in the blanks. Long horizontal bar, this one, long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is called dash taskbar. Okay. Suppose this is your screen. Here you will find a taskbar. Files that are deleted are sent to recycle bin. Recycle bin we use to delete the files. The section on the right side of the taskbar is called notification area. To this side, you will find a notification area. The dash feature helps to see what is happening in all other active windows of the system. Suppose you want to see what is happening in the other windows, then you can use the arrow flip feature. Now come to page number 26. Let's do it. First is short answer type question. Now define jump list. Jump list allows you to view recent files in a program that is pinned to the taskbar. You can see recent files under a jump list. Okay. Now next, what is the use of disk cleanup? Disk cleanup means you want to clean something. Disk cleanup tool is used to search on the hard disk for files that can be deleted from your computer. First you can search and then you can delete that file. Okay. Now what is the use of status bar? Status bar in window, in a window, status bar shows various information about the file in which you are working. Status bar will provide you information about the file. Okay. Name the 5 components of an active window. 5 components of an active window are: first is title bar, ribbon, work area, next vertical scroll bar, and the 5th one is horizontal scroll bar. Now next is long answer type questions. First is, what is the difference between sneak and arrow flip features of Windows 7? What is sneak feature? Shows you on the taskbar a preview of the window that are open. You can see a preview. You can see a preview of a window that you have opened. Okay. Arrow flip feature shows you what is happening in all other windows on the computer system. You can see, you can get information about the other windows here. by using a arrow flip feature. Now next question is, what are the steps to open a control panel? First, to open a control panel, follow these steps. First, click on start button and then click on control panel, then your control panel window will be opened. Okay, now next question is, write the steps to change the date of a computer. Okay, suppose you want to change the date of a computer. To change the date and time, first click on a clock, language and region option from the control panel. Go to control panel, then select clock, language and region, then click on a date and time option to open a date and time box. Okay, and click change, then click on date and time button, then select date, time and month from the calendar. If you want to change a date, then you can select date, time and month option from a calendar. Then click OK on the date and time settings and dialog box, and then click on OK button on the date and time. First go to settings, then click OK on the dialog box. Okay, now next is crack the code, application based questions. Okay, Anish is a left-handed person. Okay, he is left-handed. He always face a problem in using a computer, as a mouse is set for the right-handed. Okay, your my mouse is set to right-handed setting, but Ashish is a left-handed person. So just a method by which mouse can be configured according to Ashish. So how can you configure? Mouse can be configured by changing the configuration. You have to change the configuration. You have to change the settings of a mouse from right-handed to left-handed. Why left-handed? Because Ashish is left-handed. He so that he can use a mouse easily. Now, next, Naveen observed that his hard disk has many junk files. Junk files means your extra files, which means you can say your temporary files, which you don't need. Okay, suppose your hard disk has many junk files. How can he get rid of these files quickly? Now, how can you delete those files? Disk cleanup is used to delete junk files, which the thing we use disk cleanup. Now it is this question. This question is not in your book. Okay, now next is B part. Okay, circle 5 features of Windows 7. Now what are the 5 features? First is SNEAK, sneak. Okay, and next is AERO, FLIP, flip, arrow flip, and next is snap, and this one is shake, and next is jump list, and these are the 5 features of a window. Okay, now our chapter number 2 is completed. Right now, complete this chapter, write only question answers, because there is a no space on your book. Write only question answers on your notebook and then make a PDF and send to me. Okay, thank you students. Stay home, stay happy, stay healthy.